At Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome. I got this 2019 Mazda CX5 Sky Active. Alright, and this is how we open the hood. Know what I'm saying, this vehicle has a 2.5 liter engine and it takes 5.5 quarts synthetic oil or 5.5 quarts of synthetic oil. Alright, just so you know, this is how you open the hood. The latch is right in the middle. Check that grill though. Check that grill though. Okay, we spot the oil cap, and like I told you before, this car takes synthetic oil, 0W20 synthetic oil. Alright, and the dipstick is right next to the oil cap. Feel me? The settings of this vehicle are the same as the 2018. Has the same cover and all that. Has 2 bolts hit with an 8mm socket and 2 clips. Once you pull that cover, you see the oil drain plug and the oil filter right next to it. Alright, in my case, I would remove the oil drain plug first. Once I drain all the oil, I do the oil filter. And be careful, if the engine is hot. What? Exactly. If the engine is hot, the oil is hot. The oil is hot, you're gonna get hot. Feel me? Now we drain both sides, the oil filter and the engine, through the oil pan. Don't forget to clean where the oil gasket sits. This is a 67002. That's the number of the part for the oil filter in this brand, by the way. Okay, don't get that twisted. Just so you know. We lube the gasket, put it back by hand. You don't need no tool, okay? And here's a trick. If the oil filter is too slippery to tighten it by hand, spray some brake cleaner and then try to tighten it again by hand. You're gonna have a better grip. Okay, we put the oil filter back, snug it by hand. Now we put the oil drain plug by hand. You don't need a gun, nothing special. Okay, do it by hand first. You don't want to fuck up the thread. Excuse my French. Then tighten it, snug it with the ratchet and the socket. Put the cover back. Put the 2 8mm bolts back. Don't forget the clip, the plastic clip. Put it back. Once you do that, bring the car down. Get the funnel. Pour the oil in. The 0W20 synthetic oil. Alright. Get that? There you go. Before I finish this video, I just want to say thank you to you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do it now, because now is the time. The time is right. Feel me? I mean, you can do it at any time, but since I'm here, I gotta remind you. Feel me? And now we're gonna reset the oil light. Okay, this is the knob. We're gonna use it to surf through the menu. Go to applications, then go to vehicle status monitor, go to maintenance, go to oil change, click the knob, go to reset, just turn the knob, Are you sure you want to reset oil change? Yes, reset. That's all you gotta do. That's how you reset the oil light. Alright? Do the same with the any other service like tire rotation. Okay? That's how you reset the service. And thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that. If you didn't do it now. Share the video. Hit the like button. Destroy that like button. Alright? And share the video. Don't forget that. If you have any comments, anything to say about this video, anything to share about this vehicle, I'm saying, just put in the comment box. And don't forget, bro, I need that feedback. I need it, bro. I need it. Anything you think about this video, anything, put in the comment box. Okay? Any idea, any suggestion how I can do it better, just put in the comment box. Let me know. And I appreciate it, bro. Alright? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Yeah, Stu.